So we both know why you're here. You waited again to the last minute to do your Christmas shopping, and there's a curly girl in your life. You can even be yourself that you still need to buy Christmas gifts for. But don't worry, I got you. Well, technically Amazon's got you with their last minute gift ideas from Amazon Prime. So, your ultimate curly hair gift guide coming up. Hey, what's up guys? It's Jala here. Welcome back to my channel where I talk all things curly hair. Let's get straight into it. I know you're here for the holiday gift guide. So, here are 10 plus last minute Amazon gift ideas for curly girls. Let's get it. Starting with number 1. This is the Olaplex No. 3 Repairing Hair Treatment. It costs $28. It's a little more on the expensive side, but let me tell you, this is the best kept hidden secret that the curly girl in your life might not even know about. But I guarantee you, if she uses it, she will love it. I actually asked for this for Christmas for myself. Don't worry, reviews on this product will be coming soon because I think we might have just cracked the code on curly hair. That's very important. This product goes deep within the bonds of your hair to repair it from the inside out and really restructure your hair from all the damage it has been put through. It might just be a secret weapon, so stay tuned. Gift number 2, the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. This costs $36. Yes, this one's hefty again, but this is a Christmas present, may I remind you, and I have actually sampled this product. I've used it on my hair. I loved it. It's a very good deep conditioning hair mask. The only downside is, of course, it's so high quality that it's expensive. And if I could afford to, then yes, I would be buying this hair product all the time because it's wonderful. The curly girl in your life will love this. Number 3, we have a shampoo brush / a scalp massager. This is a little silicone type circular round thing with a handle and it has silicone bristles on the end of it. And you can either use this to massage your shampoo into your hair, or if you just want to give your scalp a good massage, you know, it's not just good to massage your scalp, I don't know. Anyways, this is a very cool product. I would like this as well. The cost is $7.58 on Amazon. Everything from here pretty much gets cheaper, so don't worry, stick around. The 2 most expensive products were at the beginning. There you have it. This is one of those cool, neat things that curly girls like and have bought and have been floating around, and I haven't got one yet, so get your curly girl one. She will appreciate it. Number 4, we have a 2-pack of a detangling hair comb / brush thing. This is, I think, relatively new within the past few months, introduced into the curly hair community. The cost for this 2-pack is $10.99. What this is supposed to do is ease your detangling, no snags, no breakage. And this brush is pretty special because the little 5 handles move easily. It's supposed to smooth the hair as well. It's supposed to be an all-around good product. I actually went and watched 2 videos this morning on reviews of this brush, and I'm like, I need this brush to tangle my hair now. And your curly girl will need it too, so get her this brush. Gift number 5, this Fine Mist hairspray bottle. This is a lifesaver. Traditional spray bottles spray too much water and then your hair is like soaking and it never dries. This is really good if you need to style your hair, like slicking it back like I did today. I used my little spray mist bottle. It gets just the amount of wetness. It has a continuous spray function on if you click it, and that's pretty neat. This for sure should be in every curly girl's arsenal. This is a very necessary product. She might not even know that she needed it, but she does. So for sure get her this, if anything. And it's only $9.46 for this spray bottle. $9.46. Product number 6, we have these particular long hair clips because I don't know how many hair clips I've broken on my hair trying to use them regular hair clips. My hair's just so thick and curly, so if your curly girl is the same way and has the same kind of hair, these hair clips will be a lifesaver. They're long, they're thin, they slide easily into the hair, clamp the hair into place, and this can be used if you want to pull your hair back, you know, in your shower and in sectioning your hair and styling. They can use it a lot. It's a very useful product, and it only costs $6.88. I have been wanting these clips for a long time. The reason I haven't bought them, I don't know, but I really would like them, so she would like them as well. Gift number 7 is this edge brush and comb tool. If your curly girl likes doing her edges, this is a neat tool for her. Lots of curly girls just use a toothbrush, but it's nice to have a product that does what it's supposed to, and it's only $1.59. You don't have to spend a lot on Christmas gifts, I'm just telling you. Also, some Eco Gel. If she likes to do her edges, she probably likes Eco Gel, so you might want to combo pair the two together. She's like, babe, I didn't even, how did you know that I wanted this? And you're gonna be like, Jayla's YouTube channel, so send her over here afterwards, after she gets her present. She will appreciate it. Number 8 is this microfiber hair turban thingy. This is for like plopping your hair or putting your hair up after the shower. I do this anyways with the t-shirt, and this product basically does the same thing, except for my t-shirt always like falls apart. This, you would flip your hair over and put it on, and it buttons at the back, so it's not gonna fall off of your hair, which is very nice. It costs $10.99, but when I made this video, there are only 5 left in stock at the moment, so they might be gone by now, but that is okay. You can always wait for them to come back in stock, and it can be a late Christmas present. You're welcome. Gift number 9 are these satin scrunchies. The brand is Kitsch. I don't know how to pronounce it, but anyways, nonetheless, they are satin scrunchies. These are very good for putting up their hair at night or just putting your hair up anytime, because the satin is not gonna pull or cause breakage like regular ponytails do. I hardly ever use regular ponytails on my hair. My hair's so thick and curly, they get caught, it gets tangled, it rips out my hair. It's not fun. Plus, these satin ones are really cute. They come in cute packaging, and I'm going to link the black color ones and the blush colored ones down below, and she would appreciate both of them. Scrunchies are cool. Scrunchies are cool. And they cost $7.99 for a pack of 5. So that's a good bang for your buck, right? Number 10 are these Equinox professional hair scissors. I own these myself, and I have used them for like the past couple years. They're great. I love them. They're super sharp, and if your curly girl likes to trim her hair herself at home sometimes, she will need these hair shears, because regular scissors don't cut their hair properly at the end always, and it can kind of snag your hair and cause more split ends, which is what you're trying to get rid of usually when you go to cut your hair, so it's not good. The cost of these hair shears are $25.97. They're a little more on the expensive side, but they are well worth the price, and I have used them for, like I said, the past few years. They've lasted me. I haven't even sharpened them, even though I probably should now, but anyways. They're good. Get the product. And last but not least, number 11, the Bunzee bands. And I didn't know what these were technically called, but apparently these are these elastics that have a bead on them, basically a cinch function with the bead. And if your curly girl puts her hair up into puffs or low ponytails, this can be also a neat product to get her. What she would do is wrap it around her head before she goes to pull her hair up, and then she cinches it up, and essentially it's like a ponytail but doesn't cause breakage, and you can adjust the tightness depending on how loose or tight you would like it. That way it's not pulling on your edges, and it's very good, because sometimes scrunchies, you go to wrap it one time and it's too loose, but 2 times it's too tight, and then you're just like, it's a lose-lose situation. With this, it's perfect, it's adjustable, and it costs $10.95. And I know she'll appreciate this if she uses a puff. I would like one of these as well, so. And in total, all these products together cost $164.39, and that's with 2 sets of scrunchies. So, hey, if you want to get them a good Christmas present and you don't want to spend a little money, you can get them everything. All 11 products, you know, it's just good. And there you have it. Those were some great last-minute Christmas gift ideas from Amazon, specifically for curly and natural hair. And the last thing is, in order to get your gifts to arrive before Christmas, you need to be a member of Amazon Prime. If you're not a member already, sign up now. The link is in my description. When you click the link and you go to sign up, you will get a 30-day free trial of Amazon Prime, and then you'll be able to order your Christmas gifts and get them here in time before Christmas. And of course, with Amazon Prime, it is free 2-day shipping. As always, all the gifts I have showed you in this video, they will arrive before Christmas, and they're all linked down below as well in the description box. And also, I looked at all the ratings, the reviews, the stars, and made sure that I picked out the best products for you. All these products are things I would actually want and use myself, so that is why I recommend them to you. So I did all the hard work for you. Now all you have to do is go pick out the products your curly girl would like the most and then order them. Alright, so your job now is to go right now and order the Christmas gifts off of Amazon. Get to going. You got gifts to buy. If you found value in this video, leave a like and comment down below any more videos you want to see, or if you want to just comment on this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to see more videos on curly hair, and I will see all you wonderful people in my next video. Bye! Oh, and one last thing. Merry Christmas.